Okay, let's look at this integral, and it's the integral from, it's an indefinite integral of 3 over 5x minus 2 dx. And if we differentiate the bottom 5x minus 2, we'll get a constant, we'll get 5. But it's constant, so that doesn't matter, we have a constant on top, so we'll start off by letting u equal 5x minus 2. Okay, now du dx, if we differentiate that, gives us 5, and multiply across, and then try to isolate dx, so divide by 5. So dx is equal to du over 5. So we're starting off here by using a u substitution with u equal to the bottom, and figuring out that dx is equal to du over 5. Okay, so once we've got that figured out, we're going to make a u substitution, so u over 5x minus 2 dx, and this is where we'll make the substitution. We're going to have a 3, and the 5x minus 2, that was u, so we'll replace that with u. The dx is du over 5. Okay, and now we have a constant. We have 3 on the top, 5 on the bottom, so bring those both outside, so that's 3 over 5 times the integral of du over u. Well, that hopefully you know, it's a kind of peculiar rule. Du over u, or 1 over u, is the integral of that is the natural log of the absolute value of u plus c. So now if we go back to x's again, it's 3 over 5 times the natural log of the absolute value of 5x minus 2 plus c. Okay. Now, that's our answer. But there is a shortcut that comes out of this. Hopefully you can see from the pattern. If we just look at this now, you can see the shortcut that comes out of it. So first of all, start with the bit that's on top. Let's call that k for constant, German constant. So let's say we have a k on top, and on the bottom we have, let's say it's a times x plus b. Okay. Plus, let's take a different color for that. Let's see, does this one show up? Okay, so it's k over ax plus b dx. Okay, so you have a constant on top, and on the bottom you have a linear expression of x. Okay, ax plus b. There are no squares or square roots, x cubes, anything like that. It's just ax plus b. Well, if we can follow the pattern that we have here above, the 3 that we had on top remains on top. So it's going to be, we're calling it k now. And on the bottom of the fraction we have the 5. Now what was the 5? The 5 was the coefficient of x. So in our case that's a. Okay. So k over a. Then we have the log, which is a pretty standard thing. The log of the absolute value. Now the expression that's in the absolute value side here is exactly the same as what was on the bottom. So we're going to keep exactly the same as what was on the bottom. A times x plus the b. Okay. And then plus the c, the constant of integration. Okay. And here's our new rule. Okay. This is a new rule that we've developed. Again, it only works in these limited circumstances, and it's a spin-off from the basic rule that the integral of 1 over u du is the log of the absolute value of u. But hopefully this is something that you'll be able to use going forward, and that it makes sense to you. We'll do a few more examples simply using the rule next.